Every organization today recognizes the transformative potential of artificial intelligence. You've likely already seen some success in some of your early experiments and pilot programs. But we also know that moving those AI projects from a pilot phase into a full-scale, reliable production deployment can be incredibly complex. Disjointed infrastructure, rising compute costs, and the strict need for data security can create roadblocks that really slow down your innovation. That's why we partnered to offer the Red Hat AI Factory with NVIDIA. It's a unified, co-engineered platform designed specifically to help you build, deploy, and scale production-ready AI with confidence. We've brought together the open hybrid cloud reliability of Red Hat AI Enterprise with NVIDIA AI Enterprise software to simplify the development and deployment of AI workloads on NVIDIA accelerated computing infrastructure. Together, this solution transforms the ad hoc use of AI models into a repeatable, scalable, and safeguarded factory process for your business. By deploying this joint solution into your environment, your teams can realize 3 core benefits. Accelerated time to value. We help your teams move from concept to production faster. With ready-to-deploy NVIDIA NIM microservices and Red Hat AI Quick Starts, your developers and data scientists have the streamlined workflows they need to jumpstart their projects. Increased operational efficiency. AI compute can be really resource-intensive. Our platform helps you maximize your infrastructure utilization, optimizing high-performance inference so you can get the most out of your hardware investments, all while managing cost. Mitigated risk and enhanced security. We know your proprietary data is your most valuable asset. The AI Factory ensures enterprise-grade security and compliance across your hybrid cloud environments, protecting sensitive data with hardened features like SE Linux and FIPS compliance. So, what does all this look like in practice? The Red Hat AI Factory with NVIDIA is built to power your most critical AI workloads, including enterprise RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Ground your AI models securely in your own proprietary data to generate highly accurate, business-specific answers. Model as a service. Create a centralized, secure hub where your internal teams and applications can access shared AI models via simple AI endpoints. Video search and summarization. Easily search, analyze, and summarize massive amounts of video data at scale using NVIDIA's advanced microservices. Enterprise research. Empower AI agents to connect with all of your enterprise data, distilling complex materials with incredible efficiency and precision. We want to make adopting enterprise AI as seamless as possible, which is why we offer this powerful joint solution with simplified, node-based pricing. More importantly, it's built to evolve with your infrastructure needs and runs on all certified hardware. Whether you're running your workloads on the powerful NVIDIA Blackwell architecture today, or you're preparing to deploy the groundbreaking NVIDIA Vera Rubin platform in the future, the Red Hat AI Factory with NVIDIA provides a consistent, future-proof foundation for your AI vision. Let's build your AI future together.